What's up, y'all? It's CS and we. Another one, Steve Davis _CG is my only Instagram. Make sure y'all follow. Definitely hit that like and comment and share the video for me. This is part 3 on this LS box Chevy. About to close in on the trunk, man. When we come back, we gonna take the trunk back apart and sound deaden it. I didn't know, me or him, we didn't know what was under the trunk. So I mean, under the trunk cover, whatever you call it, the liner, the trunk liner. We didn't know what was under there. So I put it back. You see, it's kind of too late. I was gonna end up pushing another car back, trying to get the stuff for this car. So we're just gonna put it on the next appointment to sound deaden the trunk, and then the whole trunk is getting closed in around the sub. So that's something we're gonna do next time. But the trunk is solid. I did thoroughly went into it. 2 little pinholes that I'm gonna weld up for them. I don't have my weld here either, so that's another thing. So I just told him, I don't know, I really don't want to go backwards, but I kind of can't wait. So just gotta roll with what I got. Amp board done, looking spectacular. I'm finna start putting all the wires on it and clean this glue off with a fuse boxes here. Boom, boom, wires running. 4-channel wires can come, boom. Power ground come out. Both my fuse gonna be right here, boom, same thing. So yeah, I probably run this like that, come like that, since these kind of hard to twist, so these gonna come straight out. You do that like that, and then that like that, so we run that. Bolt that down. We got space for an EQ or whatever if you ever upgrade anything, but this be a little blank space. But I always just try to use what I got. I don't like making no weird shape stuff. I don't like twisting my amps, angling my amps. It's just me though. I don't like running my wires under the board because it's easy to make it look junky. So I just try to make it clean and simple as possible. But closing in, man. I thought I'd be done tomorrow, which I told him I'm gonna call him because I don't think I'm gonna be done tomorrow. I'll be done the trunk today, and then shoot, I still gotta run all the LEDs for the passenger side, solder the LEDs under the seats, under the dash, the center plate piece for the console, the big 3 under the hood. Like, I still got a lot more work to do, but let me just get as far as I can today. I gotta make a battery box too. But let me just get as far as I can, man. I ain't trying to talk to y'all, but I'm finna time lapse stuff out of y'all like I be doing. So y'all just stay tuned.
Perfect.
About 3 years later, 3 hours later. But 3 hours later, man, amp board done. Now I'm finna make the battery box. Once I make the battery box, I'm gonna bolt that down. Then bolt down the amp rack. And then bolt down the sub box and do a tune with the subs. The highs, mids already tuned. I'm just gonna fine tune everything. And then once I do that, I'm gonna jump in the car and get to running the last little bit of wires and putting everything back together, so tomorrow I can just not do no wire and just put the car together. That's it. All right, this is the battery box. The way I'm doing it, I gotta leave some space for a material gap. So I need to measure this material and see how much more I need to make basically, I just need to account for the material. But I had this done in like an hour or so, start to finish, maybe. I'm hoping. Praise God, please. But I'm about to jump on the computer and make it now. And then while the CNC doing this thing, I'm gonna jump over here and do some stuff I gotta do by hand. And yeah, just keep y'all posted. I got the battery box in. I'm about to go ahead, load everything up. Yep. And shoot, get under the hood, do the little stuff under there. Oh, gotta do all these ends though. But yeah, we just rolling down here now. We gotta have some bass in about 20 or so minutes. I always say a ridiculous amount, and it don't be that, but we'll find out here soon. What you said? Man, like I said, don't worry about the carpet, man. It's coming back out, but damn, it's a clean ass install right here. Literally done with the trunk. Trunk closed in, man. So I'm about to hook the subs up, about to tune the bass, and then I'm on to the big 3 under the hood. Then closing in on the inside of the car. It's another one in the books. This my cleanest so far. It's like every one be the cleanest one so far. Every one beat the next one. That'd be my goal anyway though. Cause if you're staying stagnant, then what's the point? So we about to put this hood box in here. And then close this thing in.
The next day.
It sound good.
Ready to hit a block right now.
Well, I couldn't get the rear reaction music playing. You don't get no copyright on y'all.
I already made some connections. We know where we going for paint. You set the bar high, so ain't no half stepping with this one. Ain't no half stepping.
You said trunk look good.
That trunk look good, bro. We coming back to that custom setup. We're going for that Reese's peanut butter cup inside and out.
About to get
Peanut
crazy.
butter and chocolate.
About to be crazy.
Yes, sir. You let me take this light with me though.
Oh man, I got one for you.
But yeah, we gotta tilt the roof and we gotta hit a block. We gotta hit a block.
When you do your test drive with the music, when you crack them windows and that bass starts singing in your ears, you're gonna be like, dang.
That's what I'm waiting for.
Hey, tomorrow.
All right.
Tomorrow. I might just get a test drive for you. No, definitely.
Yeah, if you do record it.
Nah, I'm putting it on the trade.
Record it for me.
Putting it on the trade.
So this belt holding up good, eh?
Yup, it was perfect size.
Yeah, I'm ready to ride.
Perfect size.
Oh, I asked Buddy to send a remote to the grill again, too.
Yeah, I got it on my list to call TIARRA tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Because I wanted to change the color to the way, so everything flow all of the same color. Because right now it's red. That ain't gonna go. You wanna put these in there real quick?
Man, that's
This for a dump?
That's too heavy. No, that's for that box here.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah, he about to be sitting low. He gonna be struggling.
Yeah, I brought on the coilover adjusters. Just for it. It's about to be some thunderous space right here, boy.
So, what these 12 going in? These just like the ones I got in.
Yeah, them going in that blue shade.
Okay.
The box.
Yeah.
I started it. It's right here.
Yeah, that was good. He put them 2 big heavy ones. Wait a second.
Nah, that's the done deal. That's supposed to get picked up for that box I made.
Oh, this just for one. This a 15?
Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of light.
ZVX 15.
Them 12's heavier than this.
There go my box right there. Gotta get live.
That shit thick.
Yep, double bathroom. I can't afford them expensive boxes that I make, man. I just gotta give me the cheap stuff. Nah, I got too many cars. I ain't spend all that money in one car.
Shoot, you already got it, bro. Did that other dude hit you back about the bezel?
I don't even know. Like all right, y'all. I'll close the video out on YouTube.